everyone. Today we're gonna learn some shortcuts about Chromebook. Let's get started. The first one I'm gonna talk about is how to open a new tab without using a mouse. You can simply hold on to Chrome right here, bottom left corner, and T right here to make a new tab. Simple and easy. Next, we're gonna do how to close current tab you're using. We do Chrome again and W right here to close the current tab you're using. Also, you can close all tabs if you want. You can just click Chrome and W from the before and add on to that Shift. Hold on to all three of them to close all tabs in your Chromebook. We're gonna learn some shortcuts for like if you're writing a paper next. If you want to underline the text you can do Ctrl and then U to underline the text. What if you want to italicize the text? You can do Ctrl and I right here to italicize the text. Say if you want to bold the text, you want to use Ctrl and B right here to bold the text. Let me show you how those are done. Here's the doc we use. Here, let's say here you write a paper, that's your words. Then you do, if you want to do italicize the word, you do Ctrl I. See, right here it shows you italicized it. Also in the words, you can see the difference. And if you want to bold a word, you do Ctrl again, bold. See, your words bolded. But don't forget every time you need to select your word to bold them, or italicize, or underline. Here's how to underline. Ctrl U. Underline the text. See? Both shows in the word on the top here. What if you're a person, handwritten person on your like worksheet or something like that? You can do Ctrl P to print the page you have or the doc you have. You can just select the options and what color or how many copy you want and then print it. That's on the keyboard. Ctrl print P right here. Next, what if you want to like cut the text? You do Ctrl X to cut the text. What if you just want to copy that word but don't want to like cut the word out? You do Ctrl again and C to copy the text. What if you cut the text but you want the word back? You can do Ctrl V to put down the word. You just cut. Let me show you. Here's the word we just did. Ctrl X. See? Your word have been cut. If you do Ctrl V, you will paste it back. But if you do Ctrl C, nothing's changed. But if like you open a new doc, you want to paste that word, you can do Ctrl V and then you paste it back. Next, we're gonna do how to undo the text. What if you want the word you had before? You do Ctrl. The last one I have is how to refresh the page on your Chromebook. What if like your screen glitch or something wasn't working well? You can do Ctrl R to refresh the page, which makes things work again, just like this. Ctrl R. See, you refreshed it. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.